Hello, everybody. So today is Monday, December 1st. Let's go ahead and check news real quick. We have PMI at 10 p.m. or 10 a.m. So we're going to wait for 10 a.m. But what do we see? We already pushed up into this 4 hour fair value gap. We got a reaction down to this 1 hour or this daily fair value gap. Then offered a reaction off a 4 hour order block. These two little order blocks, which are connected, tapped through that. Price then took out London low at market open. Well, market open more so pushed up and took out all the shit, but then we're pushing back up into these highs after we form an SMT at these lows. Yeah, we form a little bit of an SMT right here, which indicates bullish draw, after which we are pushing our way upwards. Got this gap and such. Just trying to see how this 1 hour acts, Off the 5 minute, we're pushing our way up continuously. Of course, if you got buy side right here, mark out some buy side targets, and we've got those equal highs right there. So order block on what? What kind of order block is this? I think it's a 4 hour, right? Hour open, and yeah, so we could get a reaction off of those levels, but we're gonna wait till 10 a.m. to get that news out. See how the news reacts. Go ahead and log in too. Go ahead and log into my account. But yeah, ES. What are we doing on ES realistically? Still pushing our way up, so looks clean. I mean, looks like a bullish price action today. Of course, I'm gonna mark out equilibrium of this range because we are definitely at equilibrium. But we're gonna wait till 10 to go ahead and give us some sort of trade. See if we get some sort of entry off of a retrace. Then a market structure shift to the upside off the 1 hour. Could be clean off of a high and low. But of course, we want to see how price would react. We took these lows out. Bearish targets would be other stuff, but so we're getting a pretty strong shift upwards. So I'll have to update. Alright, 10 a.m. just came and we just tapped into this 4 hour order block as well as premium of this entire range. I'm looking for price to go down and see if we can get some sort of retracement to continue our way bullish after we push our way down maybe into this order block or fair value gap. But I'm not seeing price want to do that. 50% is pretty spot on to this 1 hour / 15-minute order block and breaker for the 15-minute. So looks clean. I mean, looks like a clean kind of setup for longs. We do want to watch the 5-minute to see if we get a market structure shift to the downside, just because we are in that 4-hour open. But that daily fair value gap should send the price possibly higher. Of course, we might not even get an entry since it is Monday, but I will update. All right, everybody. So I see that we're pretty much consolidating on the 5-minute. I still want to see a push down on the 15 to that either the 2-hour breaker block, order block, or the 1 hour / 15-minute order block with the 15-minute having a breaker. Of course, that 2-hour also aligns as a fucking 1 hour breaker block. So we'll have to just wait and see, to be honest. And yeah, see if price is gonna manipulate lower, and seeing as ES is not really making any consolidation, this still has desire to be bullish in my opinion, but we're gonna wait for a market structure shift after we get a tap here, maybe on the 5-minute, 3-minute, just based off of that daily fair value gap. So yeah, we gotta just be careful, be cautious, because it's Monday. So all right, everybody, so we just we're tapping into this 2-hour breaker block. Oh fuck. 2-hour breaker block. Could give us a little reaction, I guess. At this point, we can maybe watch the 2-minute. Maybe watch the 2-minute or the 3-minute or the 2-minute or 3-minute or the 3-minute or the 3-minute. Okay. And we're in that gap that I guess ES made a gap, so we're now inside of a gap. A little gap, I guess. 도티카 거리카 도치카 거리카 But yeah, this is gonna be kind of a difficult way to trade this. We're not necessarily at EQ. We're not necessarily at EQ. So, see if price wants to spike into that 1 hour. Could just wait till this 5-minute closes, see how that reacts. But this is gonna take a lot of focus, isn't it? We could end up continuing lower off of this little order block, and then tapping into that 1 hour, and then maybe equilibrium. I'm not sure. You really just have to be patient. I'm raising up, but I'm thinking a couple of 100 times. Baby, you see me, I see that you see I am here tonight. So I leave all the stars and forget this. Maybe I just wanna be with you, baby, a couple times. Or me and you could ever be with someone to get out of sight. Baby, just tell me you wanna tell me to be this right. I just need one more time to stay forgiveness. Do 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 do. Baby, I just need you in my life. I just out my life. You need to stay with me, baby. I just couple hundred times. Lady, just tell me you really wanna suck on me and give mine. I just need one more shot and forget it. Ugh. Maybe a couple of hundred times. Baby, you see everything that I see and you felt this right. I just need one more shit, a sucking dick. I'm sorry. I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry. I'm so very sorry. Baby, you trying to suck on my and give me some more. Loving me super delicious. I just wanna fuck this whore. I cannot take a trade-off for just a 1 hour. Need more. I need a 5-minute mic extraction shift on the low time frame. Is it too late now to say sorry? Because I'm trading more than just your body. Whoa, whoa. Is it too late now to say sorry? Because I knew that I let you down. Baby, is it too late to say I'm sorry now? Is it way too late to say I'm sorry? Because I'm missing one more than just your body. Oh. Is it too late now to say I'm sorry? Because I know right now that I let you down. Is it too late to say I'm sorry now? Okay, I'll update when we either tap or... So I don't know if we're gonna get an entry here at all, to be honest. Since price is kind of already pushing its way up and stuff. Yeah. We could have just taken an entry at like the off the higher time frame tap, to be honest. Like off this 1 hour gap right there. Would have been a decent trade, but see if we can possibly get some sort of retracement to get this entry to go bullish. Sort of what I want to see. Could be decent. I have to take it right here because it's like a 1-to-1, so damn, probably got edge right there. Yeah, that kind of sucks. Okay, well, that's alright, I suppose. Well, maybe we could still get a little entry here. Damn, we're seriously getting edge right here. Wow, okay. Seriously just got edge right there. Oh my god, that's actually kind of annoying. Just gonna enter right here probably. Fuck it. Possibly even target a fucking around here. We'll see how it plays out. I mean, we would have got our entry anyways. Probably should have just been patient, but fuck, whatever. We'll see if price ends up pushing our way up towards our buy side target. To me, It's looking like a bullish day, um, just off of what price has been doing. So it doesn't look like it's gonna be bearish, in my opinion. So I'm gonna hold this trade. Only 4 cons. Pretty much a 1-to-1. Maybe just reduce our stop loss just a tad bit. We could end up getting stopped here if price wants to continue its way bearish. I mean, there are equal lows on ES, which is really getting to me because that is definitely a draw. But it just doesn't seem like the market structure would want to be bearish. To me, it just looks bullish. So if we lose, then I don't know. I don't know what to tell you guys, to be honest. The market just does what it does, you know? But we'll see how everything is. Down and draw down a bit. Down 100. So just have to see, wait, be patient, lock in, trade. All I really thought was this would be bullish confluence. No, we just tapped into that order block, but to me this is looking bullish, so let's just see how everything plays out. If we lose, then we lose. I mean, there's not really much I can do. Looks like we're continuing our way bullish. Okay. Really just staying patient. If we lose, I'm not gonna crash out this day. I promise. I'm not gonna be mad. I'm just gonna take it like a man. Because the worst thing you could do is to get emotional over some stuff. You know, I lined the bias to be bullish, so I'm not thinking it's not gonna be bullish. So yeah, I'm just gonna go ahead and let it be how it is. Not much anyone can do. I know we have those equal lows as a draw on liquidity, but NQ looks bullish. So I'm going to take a bullish trade on NQ. Not really going to focus on what ES is technically doing, even though I know ES wants to push its way up. Definitely, for sure. If we were to go here, stop loss would have to be like there. I don't think we have any more news today. I think this is just it. This is not the R I'm taking, but it's what I will take if we move above that candle. So, jeez. Oh gosh. Yeah, I mean, we could take those equal lows. Let's watch the 3-minute, 2-minute. Would have been a good trade on the, if I got this RR right here. Would have technically been in profit still. But, it's okay, whatever. Alright, let's see our price. We're just kind of manipulating or consolidating, really. Uh, Bang. Mm. So it looks like we are pushing our way up now, which is what I want to see. I want to see this be up because I don't know. I mean, that's just what I saw. So whatever. I'll update on how it goes. All right, y'all. So the trade ended up hitting. I actually, I thought we almost edged it, and I actually exited out prematurely. But it was like a $500 trade, so 470, 420. Sorry, whatever. Now we're up pretty good. Probably the only trade I'm gonna take. I mean, I know we could push up higher, but personally, sell those equal lows. Price could end up making SMT here. Maybe not though. I don't know. But yeah, decent trade. Really actually locked in and focused for this day. You know, we had the daily fair value gap, just indicating bullish drawn liquidity. Price already pushed into a premium to get a retracement back to this 1 hour and the 2 hour order block being, you know, backed up by that daily. So the 4 hour, of course, is stronger than the 1 hour and 2 hour, but since we have that daily, we can be confident in pushing upwards. So, um, yeah, I'm not gonna get greedy. Took a trade because it was just what I want to do. So what the fuck is this guy taking? I don't know what this does. So that means I could lose my account if I go below this shit. Oh god, man. That's really fucked up. Spent 13 days on this fucking account. You could pass this shit in 2 days? That's crazy. Alright, but whatever. Our ended up result would be this, so pretty good. That's it for the day. Thank you.